Niaje? Poa sana. Ati? Bash. Hey, sawa basi staff party. Okay. Ati iko themed. Kwani nguo zinaenda kudishi? Si kuongea vibaya by the way. Swali tu genuine. Okay, so theme ni creme de la creme. Kadi ka DJ. Okay, nimeacha jokes. So crown royalty. Okay. So naweza kuwa mombi wake kuyo? Na mekatiliniwa menza? Na je nikitaka kuwa Queen of Sheba? Nijibambe. Sawa basi, nipe dakika kadhaa nijitayarishe, alafu tutachekiana. Vimbada energy.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Njerie Gitau here. For those who are new, welcome, karibuni. Feel free to take a seat and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family. For those who are back for the second, third or even umpteenth time, then welcome back to my channel. I need to say two things first. One, the intro completely lied. Hakuna bash. Two, I know I look a bit extra. Read all about it. And that's because I feel like with this updo, I can't just leave the house on a regular day looking like this. I feel like I'd have to have like a themed party or get together where I had to be royalty, Queen of Sheba. Manenos. But like if this is your cup of tea, please don't let me hold you back. Just knock yourself out. And without further ado, before I get into more talking and just random rambling, if you'd like to know how I achieved this, let's just jump straight into the video. How my updo is looking. I actually like it a lot, and I feel like now if I was going for an event, I'd totally wear this. Also, this is like a choker, which shows how you can totally accessorize your hair using like regular jewelry. But anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to add, comment section. What's up with the updos? What have you tried? What have you not? Just let me know in the comment section below. I highly appreciate your feedback. And you know the drill. If you've gotten to this part of the video, just hit that subscribe button. We'll wait for you. You're done. Cool. Hit the notification bell so that you can get alerts whenever I drop new videos. Yes, I even started eating my words. Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed yourself, and I will see you in the next one.